I cannot wait until DJI releases the Pocket 4. Like, I have been using the Pocket 3 for a couple years now, love this thing, but there are some things that I'm not a big fan of with the Pocket 3 and hopefully improvements that we can all see and enjoy with the upcoming Pocket 4. By the way, I have no idea when the Pocket 4 will be released. DJI has not told me a thing about the Pocket 4, or if there even is a Pocket 4, I have no idea. Or maybe I do. I don't. But if and when the Pocket 4 releases, there are some things that I personally would love to see, starting with a wider camera. Like with the Pocket 3, I love how wide it is. I just feel like it could be just a tad wider, you know? Like with the Pocket 3, it is wide enough for sure, but I just feel like it could be just a little bit wider, you know? Like I remember doing this one shot where we put the Pocket 3 on the hood of a car, and the shot was great, but I felt like it could have been wider. But if the Pocket 4 does come out, it would be awesome to have a wider camera. The second thing that I would love to see in the Pocket 4 is internal NDs. Like some sort of electronic ND system would be so cool. Just something to help control the exposure without cranking up the shutter speed would be great. Yeah, there's options to attach those ND filters to the lens of the Pocket 3, but I forget to bring them. Most times I just bring the Pocket 3 like this and, you know, just go out and film. But if the Pocket 4 had an internal ND system like that would be a game changer for sure. Or I could remember to bring ND filters, but why? The third thing that would be awesome in the Pocket 4 would be a better mount. Like the mounting system that the Pocket 3 has is okay. It's kind of like a snap kind of design, but there's a smaller version of this extended battery. Well, the smaller version is not a battery at all, it's just an extension, but it snaps to the bottom where it connects the USB-C, just like so. But when I tried to use the Pocket 3 as a top-down camera, there's so much stress where this mounting point is where it actually broke. And so I'd love to see a stronger mounting system in the upcoming Pocket 4. Maybe a combination of your magnetic system, like with the Action 5 Pro, that'd be pretty cool. Also, I don't like that I have to use the extended battery or that little extension to use the little tripod feet. Like if the Pocket 4 already had the 1/4-20 mount at the bottom, like that's all I would really need. And then maybe move the USB-C port to the side or to the back. But yeah, having a 1/4-20 mount already attached to the Pocket 4 would be awesome. The fourth thing that I would love to see in the Pocket 4 would be to have object tracking. The Pocket 3 already has active tracking for humans or subjects, but it'd be pretty awesome if it could track actual objects like cars. Like that'd be pretty helpful if you're filming rollers. You attach the Pocket 4 to the side of your car, and then you just tap on the car and it'll track it no matter what. That would be pretty dang awesome. Speaking of tracking, it'd be pretty awesome for an improvement of the subject tracking to include 2 people. Like right now, the Pocket 3 can focus on one subject at a time, but say that you're filming an interview and you want to film 2 people at the same time and you want to track and follow them. Well, currently the Pocket 3 will select one of those subjects to track and follow, but if you had the ability to track 2 people at the same time, well, the Pocket 4 can like frame up your shot so that both of the subjects are in the middle. I feel like that's a lot to ask, but that could be pretty cool. The next thing I would love to see in the Pocket 4 would be to have 32-bit audio using the onboard mics. Like yeah, I could pair the Pocket 3 with something like the DJI Mic 2, which has 32-bit internal recording. Great, but sometimes I find myself filming with just the Pocket 3 with no microphones at all. I'm just relying on the onboard mics of the Pocket 3. If that had 32-bit float audio, oh man, game changer for me. And the reason why I say that is because the mics on the Pocket 3 aren't bad at all. They're actually pretty usable. Like if it's not windy and the Pocket 3 isn't too far away from you, the audio is actually pretty usable. And so you improve on the mics, but also add 32-bit float audio recording. Oh, that'd be cool. The next thing I would love to see in the Pocket 4 is of course the hand gesture features. It's been around now, like with the Osmo Mobile 7 and the RS4 mini gimbal. Like those features are not gimmicks at all. Like I've actually used them to film stuff and it's been pretty helpful. And so to have the hand gesture tracking features in the Pocket 4, I would totally love. The next thing I would love to see an improvement on with the Pocket 4 is just a better joystick. Like this little nubbin, well, I don't like it. And sometimes if I try to switch it up to do the zoom thing, like it doesn't really do it. It doesn't do what I want it to do. And so yeah, just a simple improvement on the joystick. Like that's not hard to ask. And then I guess the last feature that I would love to see in the Pocket 4 would be to have internal storage. Similar to the Action 5 Pro, love that thing. It would be great if the Pocket 4 had the same thing. Let's see, is there anything else? Probably, but I can't think of them right now. But the features that I've already mentioned, I would love to see in the upcoming Pocket 4. And so DJI, again, if you are listening, oh man, that'd be awesome. At the very least, internal NDs, that would be cool, right? Internal NDs, Pocket 4, yeah, I think that's something that we can all agree on. Well, if you have any features that you'd love to see in the Pocket 4, then by all means, let me know in the comments below. I'm sure there's plenty, and the Pocket 3 already is a very popular camera, so I can't imagine what the Pocket 4 would be like. Would it be called the Pocket 4 Pro? That'd be weird. Pocket Pro Max. That's stupid. Oh, I know. There should be a Pocket 4 Mini. Okay, I'm gonna stop.